With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, welcome to Doubtnut. Our question is, a small ring P is threaded on a smooth wire bent in the form of circle of radius A and center O. The wire is rotating with constant angular speed omega about a vertical diameter xy. While the ring remains at rest relative to the wire at the distance a by 2 from xy, then omega square is equals to, so we have to find the value of omega square here. So students, we know that here this is our bead, and on this bead this experience some gravitational force downward, and the value of gravitational force is equals to mg. Now if we talk about the normal reaction on this bead, then this is perpendicular to the plane, and the direction of normal reaction is this. This is our normal reaction. So we can easily do the components of this normal reaction. So this is n cos theta, and this component is n sin theta. So this is our n cos theta, this is n sin theta. This distance is given to us, that is equals to a by 2, and also the radius of this circular path is also a. So let's suppose this is our point A. So if we draw the triangle POA here, so this is our OA side, this is our AP side, and this is OP side. So this OP is given to us, that is equals to radius of the circle, that is A. This is given to us, that is a by 2, and this angle is theta here. So from this triangle we can write the value of sin theta, that is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is our perpendicular and this is our hypotenuse. So sin theta is equals to, perpendicular is a by 2 and hypotenuse is a. So from here we can see our sin theta comes out to be 1 by 2. So theta is equals to 30 degree. So here we get the value of theta. Now it's time to balance the forces. If we balance the vertical forces, then we can see that n cos theta is equals to mg, and n sin theta is equals to m omega square r, which is centripetal force, and n omega square r is in this direction, where r is the this distance and this is a by 2. So m omega square r is a by 2. So if we divide these two equations, so on dividing we get 1 upon tan theta is equals to g divided by omega square into a by 2, and we know the value of theta, so we can put here, and tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3, and if we take reciprocal, then this is equals to root 3 is equals to 2g divided by omega square into a. So from here the value of omega square comes out to be 2 by root 3 g divided by a. So this is the value of our omega square. So from here our correct option comes out to be option C, 2 by root 3 g by a. So this is our correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.